Are you that lady that loves to stand out anywhere you go to? Maybe you should try out this headwrap and tell me what you feel about it. Me having a yard Ankara material and thinking of what I can do differently, I closed up the material, like fold it, then I place from the back, knot it at the center. So one falls at the front and one falls at the back. The first one, I picked it up, roll it up the way it is being displayed on the screen, find a way to secure it with office pin at the back, and adjust all the sides to be equal. Now, I went to the back and I pick up the other flap I have there. Then I'm going to repeat the process that I did at the front. So I'm just going to fold in and direct the excess to the side. So coming to the side, find a way to secure it by raising up the previous one up a bit and dipping the excess here down there. You come to the other side and secure as well, the same way you secure for the other side. So after doing this, you need to make sure you arrange, press all pressables, adjust all adjustables, and I added a brood to beautify, of course. Yes, and that's it. Tell me if you're going to be trying this out.